A Hot Wheels car, bars of gold, yellow,
Ooh.
Doodles, replica, my love, gorgeous, fantastic dolphin. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to the Goodwood Festival of Speed, which is definitely my favourite car show. My goal for today is to find some quirky stuff, some weird stuff and some modified cars, because there are lots here. They don't often get the coverage that they deserve. So we're entering the drift paddock next. So whilst I said the modified cars don't tend to get that much attention, the drift cars are, as opposed to the rally cars, which aren't quite as much. We've got Steve Baggsy's LSX V8 GTR. There's even a Corvette C6 drift car. This one with a rotary. Next we have a Liberty Walk S15. This one has been replicated as a Hot Wheels car, and there have been many new releases this weekend, one of which is this incredibly expensive ProDrive P25, all of which have since sold out after its launch 2 days ago. But further down on the Cartier lawn, there's many quirky vehicles, such as this Elva GT160, which I can't say I've ever seen before, and a visual display of the human nature to attract towards shiny object. We've got bars of gold inside this vintage van. Of course, it's an Austin 7. A diamond ring is treasure for life. A goose. Mr. Nick Mason, your wheels are brave. I don't think the beat in the distance matches the voice of the lady singing with the orchestra. This guy has sorted out the solution to get through the... He's only got one wheel. It's one-wheel drive on his skateboard? I don't know. He hopped over the thing. And here is the red carpet, a section full of autograph hunters, so they can make a few bob on eBay with someone's autograph. Like Rowan Atkinson might be here. Who knows? So many people. David Beckham, I saw him yesterday. I'll tell you what, I've got a great 350Z that you're gonna love. Even the shoes are yellow. Sardines. In the trade stands we've got cars for sale as well, including this little Fiat for 8 grand with very brave wheels, as well as half a Mini that's been turned into some kind of garden feature, which is so exciting that he's literally fallen asleep behind it. He is packing a lot of fudge. Ooh, 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 ooh. These guys have turned off-roaders into on-roaders. And on the Pop Bang Colour stand we have this Toyota MR2, which look, oh no, it's not an MR2. This is a Ferrari F40 wrapped in matte grey. Would you say matte grey? It's not satin, is it? It's just matte.
Matt Gray.
Matte grey. Who is Matt Gray? Does he own the car?
He doesn't.
Does he not? Someone's doodled an Italian flag on the pop-up headlight. So we've got doodles on the F40, a sentence I never thought I'd make, and yes, it is an F40, not an MR2. That's put there because we do have replicas just over here. So we have the total head turner stand with a replica 356, a replica Forza GT40, which looks fantastic, and a replica Lamborghini Countach. And what's this I see? A 300 SL replica. I have never seen a replica of a 300 SL Gullwing with doors that wing. So for your £200,000, you can rock around in what used to be an SLK. And of course, you can't have replicas without Cobras. Mine being a Dax, we have various Cobra kits. Oh look, a Bugatti Chiron, red with black at the rear. And further down there, we have the new Noble M500. So I last saw one of these at the Festival of Speed. It's got Corvette C7 headlights, but they've now curved the wing in front of it so that it doesn't look quite as much like the C7. Around the back, it's got Citroen lights. Beyond the Noble, we've got this 720S with the very intricate carbon diffuser. And around the front, we've got carbon wings and bonnet. White wheel the world. And do you like campers and do you like drinking alcohol? Well, here, you can drink alcohol in your Volkswagen camper. It's a wooden T1 camper bar. So you got the chair the other side, a platform here, and some birds behind. Oh, ducks! Let's have a look at the McLarens. Oh, no, I can't. There. Yes, I'm free. Oh, look, the red arrow. Oh, they've gone. Oh, my love. PlayStation 2 livery, yellow headlights and spotlights on the Dodge Viper GTSR. Oh, look. Wait a minute. It's me. Quirky. That was, of course, a Polestar, which was just down from their new electric roadster concept. I like the yellow seat belts with the blue. Many colours on this Zonda, and many canards on the Zonda as well. And not much of a roof, just down from the Zonda R. And here we have a McLaren P1, not a GTR, not an LM. It's a P1 with the high downforce kit, HDK, finished in green with tan interior. It looks gorgeous. But talking of McLaren P1s, the big news, and I do mean big news, after years of its release, we have a McLaren P1 convertible. Lanzanti have created a convertible variant of the McLaren P1. That is my dream P1. Personally, I would love to have one. Like, if I had money, obviously. And just in front is a naked F1 GTR. Sardines. Could have made it. Oh, he's up the bank. Is the Swift a drift car? I hope it is. Almost binned it on the first second. Very good. Oh look, the new Porsche 963 Le Mans hypercar. This has just been launched at the Festival of Speed. That looks wild. 20 mil, 30 mil, 4 mil, 35 mil, 40 mil, 5 mil, and the list goes on. These are all just perceived values, so don't take it too seriously, but it's unreal. All of these Ferraris at such great value, just parked along with each other. 750 Monzas, 500 TRCs, also we've got names up there to help us. 250 LM looking stunning, that's another 25, 30 mil. This MK Aston Martin Le Mans car's got a friendly passenger holding a GoPro inside. Oh, stand back, coming through. As much as I'd like to be run over by Budweiser, I don't think today is the day for it. Listen to that. Nice shirt. Nice hat. This McLaren is 3 BMP brake manpower. I've just made my arrival to this electric van, rather spacious inside. Pop goes the beamer. Nice cone. Nice picture. And why don't you come on through to Electric Avenue E-Go. There's a G Live Sport E-Go. A lot of quirky electric cars around, and quirky green hair around as well. Because green is the future, and that's why electric cars are green. Other than these two, which are yellow, we have the new Lotus Electra, which is plugged into a green wire, and the new Renault 5 concept. This will be an electric car based on the old Renault 5. I think that is fantastic, an old retro design brought back from the dead. I'd love to see those on the roads. And we talk of quirky electric cars, we have the Electra Meccanica Solo. So it's a single-seater electric car with 3 wheels, with a similar name to the Lotus Electra, but a different name to the Fisker Ocean. More green hair. Oh, his hair is blue. And welcome to the Future Lab for more quirky futuristic stuff, most of it involving electricity. This car is a boat, you can tell because of the lack of wheels. This boat is a model, you can tell due to its size, and weirdly it's unmanned. There's a dance floor when you can dance with a dolphin. If you wanted to dance with a dolphin, you can now dance with a dolphin. The dolphin's waiting to be danced with. No one's dancing with the dolphin. Oh look, duck racing. They've got some ducks and some remote control cars that are racing with other ducks on other remote control cars, whilst the other ducks watch the ducks. There's just ducks I don't know why the ducks are here. These ducks are in a bus. These ducks are Big Ben. We have a soldier duck. This duck is picking up a duck. He doesn't look much like a duck, but apparently he's a duck because he's on the duck platform with the ducks. Oh, he's ducking to pick up a duck. Oh, look, some display ducks. Nice socks. Oh, there's an electric dog. Oh, hello. He's replacing the need for family pets now. We can turn them into electricity. And he's replacing the need for friends. He's made his own one out of electricity as well, with some chicken legs. He's proving that the moon landing was faked. More proof that the moon landing was faked. Here's the rocket. And here's a Saab. Oh no. Just beyond a Mark IV Supra, we have Mark McCann's Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. which is honestly the dirtiest Lamborghini I've ever laid my eyes on. He's kept the engine cover off so we can see the cleanliness, or lack of the engine bay. How has he managed that? I know he does donuts in a field. I mean, he did them at my show. This car arrived sideways. That is crazy and bizarre to see it treated like that and actually used. I think it's a little bit too much, but it's a statement piece, just not the statement you would expect. Take another look at that. That's filthy. He must have been doing donuts in the field on purpose with the engine cover off in order to get it in such a state. The interior is not as clean as it could be, and the wheels, look at the wheels. There's like actual dirt collected in the side skirts there. In fact, you could probably brush it off. Yeah, it's filthy. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Is this good or is it a bit, It was definitely planned though. Look, the number plate, Rockbox. Morrison's is that way, mate. You're going the wrong way. Good boy. These birds love an AMG. And welcome to the Liberty Walk stand with a Liberty Walk S15 at the top. We've got a Liberty Walk Ferrari 458 at the bottom. So much carbon fibre going on there. Then a Liberty Walk Nissan GTR and a Liberty Walk McLaren. This one a 650S, but you've never seen a wide body 650S. And then you've probably seen quite a few GTRs with wide bodies, but this one stands out. But we are back in the public car park after a long day spotting various sites at the Festival of Speed, so I hope you enjoyed that video. We're amongst the last leave. A bit of a queue to get home as per usual, but it's such a busy and incredible show. So follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights and photographs that I take here at these meets that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.